I didn't even know you could die like that. Dude, stop!
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Die. Extreme noses pounces on you, ooh, you so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses will make you like detail gamer tilde, hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy bulgy. Kissies and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes you, nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I've been getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Cool. There. Dude, I was so consistent at the end there.